What's up, YouTube? Quick install video. I just got this clear cam cover from JLS, Motorsports ATV. Um, just really a cosmetic upgrade. So enough talking. I'm just gonna put it on, let y'all see how it look, let y'all see what the cam look like when the four-wheeler's running after I put this on. So what you would basically need is just really a socket, 5/16. I loosened these up already. You can reuse the stock screws with the cover when you change it. Pretty easy, pretty simple install. Just remove these two bolts. Then pull the old stock cam cover off. And you see the stock cam right there. I don't have stage. I don't have an aftermarket cam yet. Don't know if I'm gonna get one. Still trying to do some research on that to see if it's really worth it and if it's really safe, for the machine. So now I just got that on. You want to align the two screw holes up. And it did come with two washers. So I got those started now. I'm just go back and make sure they're tight. Like I said, really just a cosmetic upgrade, a cosmetic mod. So now I'm finna start it real quick and simple to put on. And that's it, just a quick simple mod. Like I said, just a real cosmetic mod. So if you want it, I will, put the link in the description. He does offer different powder coats, so you could get it powder coated to match the color of your ATV. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video, and stay tuned.